Recording started.
Huh. Hey guys, it's me right here, and I am going to commit a terrorist attack in Teardown. You should really do this in real life. I really recommend it. It's pretty fun. Don't mind the fallen Martian tripods here. Those are like from 30 years ago. They're still moving for some reason. Alright, let's spawn in a plane. And then let's crash it. Yeah. Hold on a second. Let me get my... Oh wait, I don't have it. Right, I guess I'll just... Oh dang. I cannot fly it. That's alright. How about this one? Oh no, it's gonna crash! Ah! Actually, hold on a second. Auto launch. What's auto launch? It's motionless in the air. Oh my! Ah!